Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the lecturers. Here, I would like to present teaching and learning video as the requirement of religious ministry program, teacher professional education in Yogyakarta State University. My name is Mustika Puspitaning Tias, and my student number is 25105160918. And now, I am English teacher in MAN 2 Karawang. This teaching learning is conducting by PBL or project-based learning. And the topic of this learning is about fracture storytelling. So, please enjoy the video. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Morning. Open the class, please. Let's open our class by reciting the salat together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you today? I'm fine. Yang good cuma jawabnya good, I'm fine. Boleh diulang lagi nih. Dicek lagi. Mulai saya absen ya. Nanti kalau saya panggil, kalian jawab dengan kata-kata yang bagus. Class 11, C1. Okay, don't forget to use your great word. Ready ya? Number 1. Nice. Alfifa Salma. Nice, Alfifa. Oleandra. Good. Alifia. Okay. Ataya. Nice. Kika. Kika, you feeling good now? So today different with yesterday? Oh, nice. Dionita Helia. Oh, it's well. Yelty. Good. You still use your glasses ya? Do you love your glasses? Yes. Faiza Ramadhani? Sick. Okay. Fajar Al-Hadra? Nothing to worry. Nice. Muhammad Farhan Yusuf? Good. Nadia Syafitri? Sick. Oh, Revan Fernandez? Is there any Revan here? Sick. Okay. Salama? Sleep and well. Santi Novasari? Good. Soalnya itu bahasa Inggris pelajaran berapa hari? 2 hari. 2 hari or 2 kali? Ada waktu yang lebih banyak di bahasa Inggris? No, really? How about math? Sam, 6 jam juga? 6 jam juga? Oh no. So this is very possible for you to speak English, right? Dan berarti kamu bisa memanfaatkan waktu ini untuk ngomong bahasa Inggris. Who's teacher? Miss Tita. Oke, thank you. Jadi seperti itu ya, dimanfaatin. Nanti kalau misal chat nih, kalau ngobrol, masih pakai bahasa Indonesia kan? Sekali-kali lah, diselingi pakai bahasa Inggris. I love you. I love you tuh. Katanya mau gaul. You said that you want to be a gaul, right? Yeah, of course. Jangan lupa diselipin kalau ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris, oke? Okay? Nice. I have a question for you. Have you read or heard a good story? Do you remember this story? Okay. Have you read or heard a good story? Yes? Yes. What makes a good story? Because? It's funny. It's funny. Okay. Anything else? Interesting. Okay. The other one? Full of expression. Next. Challenging. Anything else? It's romantic. What? Romantic? So do you like romantic? Why? Sweet. Okay. Do you know romantic, everyone? Yes. Have you ever feel romantic? Yeah. Okay. The next reason. What makes a good story? It's unique character. For example? Cinderella. Cinderella is unique. You think that Cinderella is unique? The next one? Yes. Yeah. What? Yes. Happy ending. What? Sorry? Happy ending. Happy ending. How about the story if sad ending? Gimana kalau ceritanya sad ending? Kamu suka nggak ceritanya? Maybe yes. Okay. It's following the way ya. Bagaimana alurnya gitu ya. Okay. The other one? Enough? The next question. Have you heard the story of the race between the hare and the tortoise? Yes, I have. Yes, you? Okay. Who won the race? The tortoise. Okay, nice. The next question. Do you still remember the story of Malin Kundang? Yes. Yes. Okay. What happened to Malin Kundang? Ataya, what happened with Malin Kundang?
Malin Kundang was cursed by his mother to become a stone. He was disobedient and acknowledged his mother after he became rich.
Oh, nice. Give a applause for Ataya, everyone. Well, for today's materials is about narrative text. Do you remember about narrative text?
Yes.
So this is not the real story. The story is not real. But, tapi ceritanya di naratif teks ini bukan naratif yang pada aslinya yang ketika kakek nenek kita cerita dulu. This is the story of, for example, like Rapunzel punya rambut panjang, warnanya apa? Pirang atau golden? Golden. Kalau zaman dulu, kalau cerita aslinya kan Rapunzel punya panjang, warnanya golden, terus dia hidupnya di menara. Tapi kalau yang ini, this is the name of fracture. Fracture itu artinya ceritanya udah nggak utuh lagi, udah nggak kayak aslinya. Benar, contoh kalau misalkan Rapunzel itu yang punya rambut emas, kuning, panjang, menjulur ke bawah, terus tiba-tiba ada pangeran datang gitu ya. Nah nanti kita plesetin, kenapa dia hidupnya di menara? Karena dia terperangkap adanya wifi, bener, ada wifi tuh. Jadi kan ada wifi, dia harus memanfaatkan wifi itu untuk Instagraman, untuk Facebook, and TikTok, and ya WhatsApp seperti itu. Dan pada akhirnya akankah dia menikah dengan seorang queen? Apakah akhirnya sama? I think no. So, coba kita analis bareng-bareng. Berarti kalau di sini nanti Rapunzel itu ceritanya tokohnya sama nggak? Kalau ceritanya tokoh utamanya sama nggak? Sama. Tapi jalan ceritanya beda. Terus apa lagi ya? Jalan cerita tokoh tempat kejadiannya sama nggak kira-kira? Sama ya di menara ya? Oke, let's see. I have pictures. What the story is this? Timun Mas? What do you think Dika about this? The giant. Giant. Next one. What is this? Do you like this story? Wow. What is this? Rapunzel. Okay, the next one. And this one? The Little Pig. Do you know the story? Really? Or maybe this story is not really familiar, yeah? But you know this story, right? You ever read this story? No. You will know this story after this, okay? Okay, the next one. Nah, Snow White. Ada apa di situ? Ada Snow White dan ada how many kurcacis there? 7 kurcacis. Okay, the next picture. What is that? Do you see the picture? Thumbelina, yes. Thumbelina. Do you know Thumbelina? Do you know Tom? This is Tom. What is in Indonesia? In bahasa jempol. Where was he born? She was born in the flower. Okay. Next. This is favorite or familiar? Familiar. Do you like this story? Oh, oke. Okay. Tapi jangan sampai ada yang seperti ini ya. Oke. Okay. What is that? Ini ada gadis kecil pakai jilbab merah and this is rubah. Red Riding Hood. The next one. Ayo, what is the story? Is it Sangkuriang or Tangkuban Perahu? Apa yang terjadi at the last story? At the last story, what happened? Sangkuriang marah dan menendang kapal perahunya. Kemudian kapal itu menjadi gunung. Gunungnya namanya Tangkuban Perahu. Where is it? Bandung. Have you ever go there? Yes? No. Do you want to go there? Okay, nice. Might we go there together, right? Yeah, really? Okay, sampai. Amin. Let's watch the video. Ready? Ready. Let's go.
This is the story of Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived in a village in a big forest. Her grandmother had made her a beautiful red cloak with a big red hood, which she wore every time she went outside. And so everyone in the village called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother said,
Grandma isn't feeling very well. Will you take this basket of food through the forest to the cottage?
Yes, Mother.
said Little Red Riding Hood.
I sure would love to see Grandma.
She put on her red cloak, and she pulled up her red hood, and she took the basket of food into the forest.
Remember,
Her mother called after her.
don't talk to any strangers along the way.
All right.
Little tumbling out of the followed. The three of them chased the big bad bull out of the forest. You know, the big bad bull ran for his life. Never seen again. Little Red Riding Hood learned her lesson, and she never, ever talked to strangers again. The end.
Yay.
Subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated on all our new videos. Bye.
Is it funny?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Is it sad or happy? Just happy. Sekarang kita temuin nih, bedanya di mana? I have the story. The story is about Little Red Riding Hood also. But the way of the story is different with the real one. Jalannya beda. Ceritanya, apakah cerita ini berbeda atau sama? Nah, nanti kita cek. Tapi sebelum cek, I have a question about the story before. Buat yang video yang tadi, coba I want to ask you. Why did Little Red Riding Hood walk through the forest? Kenapa anak kecil itu berjalan di tengah hutan? Ya, anyone? Salah? Salah apa? Because?
Neneknya sakit.
Yeah, she wanna go to grandmother's house. Very good. The next question number 2. Check ya, for the checking. The rule did Little Red Riding Hood break when she talked to the wolf? What rule did Little Red Riding Hood break when she talked to the wolf? Apa dirasain sama Red Riding itu ketika dia berbicara sama serigalanya? Scary? Really? Apa dia merasa ketakutan? No? Biasa saja? Yes, it's not like the stranger. Kayak bukan orang yang aneh ya. Okay, the next question. Why did the wolf ask Little Red Riding Hood where her grandmother live? Tadi pas ketemu di tengah hutan, why? The wolf. Serigala itu menanyakan, kenapa serigala itu menanyakan the house of grandmother? Menanyakan rumahnya grandmother. Because? Yes, because he's hungry also. Anything else? Yang lain? Ya, karena dia ingin memakan. Aslinya dia tujuannya adalah buat makan si gadisnya. Karena kalau makan gadisnya mungkin jadi awet muda ya. Oke, next. Kayak nenek sihir aja ya. Oke. What may happen if the woodsman were not there? Apa yang terjadi jika tidak ada woodsman? Laki-laki pencari kayu itu nggak datang. Apa yang terjadi dengan mereka berdua? Yes? All? Apa? Oh iya, all them was eaten. All them was eaten ya, semuanya dimakan. Kira-kira bisa keluar nggak dari perutnya si wolf tanpa bantuan woodsman itu? Apa? No, berarti kira-kira nih. Kira-kira kalau misalnya nggak ada, if there is no woodsman, what happen? Die. All them are die. Semuanya mati. Oke. Now we are going to try to analyze the story. Fracture story, ceritanya Red Riding Hood yang udah tadi kita lihat. Nah, tapi ini yang versi fracture-nya yang udah apa tadi? Udah Udah diplesetin, bener, udah diplesetin. Tapi saya akan mengirimkan sebuah link. Ada 5 pertanyaan di dalam link itu, ada teksnya yang ini, dan nanti ada 5 pertanyaan, dan 5 pertanyaan lagi. Nanti kita diskusiin bareng-bareng. Sekarang saya minta tolong dikeluarin dulu bukunya, biar kalian butuh catatan dan your phone. Now I need your phone because I will send the link. Okay, well, I have sent the link in the group. Okay, you open the link and you do the exercise on the link. Okay, ada 5 pertanyaan dan yes, no question. Yes dan no. This is the question. How many minutes? We need 10 menit. Oke, 10 menit cukup. Enggak, pendek aja bacanya apa-apa. Apa aja, Number 5. Ini tiba dulu tiba-tiba. Sama yes no-nya. Yes no-nya. Nanti kamu jawab yes no kayak gitu. Ya. Number 4 siapa? Number berapa? Kamu jawab yes, nanti jawabannya yang ini. Tanyanya ini kan sama kan ini. 10 minutes enough ya. Okay. Is it easy? Yes, it's very easy. Okay, question number 1. Who will come forward? Siapa yang mau maju ke depan? Who will come forward? Hilda number 1, number 2. Boleh langsung number 2. Okay. Ya, bawahnya sini aja. Why did the story? Only 4 question ya, 4 or 5 ya? Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3. Who answer number 3? Number 1. Who told the story? Who told the story? The answer is? The wolf. Okay. What made the girl scream on ear persisting scream? Because the wolf pull out and I will eat you. Yes. Number 3. Number 3, who will answer? Yes, please.
We saw a label on the girl basket that side to Grandma 2235 and E for ICT.
Okay, nice. He showed a label on the girl's basket that side to Grandma 2235 and E for ICT. Okay, next. Number 4. Who answer number 4? Yes, please, Safira.
He saw the paws and thought that humans cannot have paws.
Okay, nice, very good. Okay, next question was question only 4. Question number 4, will answer. And number 5, sorry. Yeah, Salama.
Questioning why the wolf become silent or cold not say a word.
Okay, good, nice, very good. Next, discuss for this question. Nah, ini poinnya nih. Apakah cerita ini sama dengan cerita aslinya? Kita lihat. Okay, have all the same characters? Yes or no? Yeah. Oh, karakternya sama semua ya? Tapi kalau di aslinya itu nggak ada kurcacinya. Kalau di sini ada kurcacinya. Berarti jawabannya yes or no? No. Okay, the next one. Have the same setting? Yes or no? No. Number 3. Have the same beginning? Permulaannya sama nggak? Really? No. No, beda. Kalau yang aslinya itu datang ke rumahnya nenek. Kalau yang fracture itu datang untuk... Karena pemain utamanya adalah wolfnya. Jadi wolfnya itu sebagai aku. Si wolf itu sedang berjalan-jalan. Tiba-tiba ketemu itu yang gadis kecil pakai jilbab merah. Nah, tiba-tiba karena dia memiliki sebuah saku dan kertas yang berisi, itu adalah kertas ucapan selamat dari teman-teman dari sahabatnya. Tapi kebetulan, kertas yang muncul, itu ada kertas yang tulisannya, aku akan memakanmu. Jadinya gadis itu ketakutan. Nah, itu beginningnya, awalannya aja, awalan dari cerita itu sudah berbeda kan? Ya, so the beginning of the story is same or no? No. Okay, the next one. Have the same needle? Tengah-tengahnya sama nggak? No. And the same way? Akhirnya sama nggak? No. Next, have the same problems? Masalahnya sama nggak? No, different. Nice, gitu. Thank you so much for today. Now, I would like you to make a group. Buat kayak gitu lagi, nanti saya kasih ceritanya. Oke? Nanti kita jawab seperti ini juga, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, gitu. Tapi nanti ada 5, nanti masing-masing perwakilan 2 dari setiap kelompok maju ke depan untuk mempresentasikan sedikit about the story, tentang cerita yang dibagikan. Terus nanti mereka juga mengidentifikasi dan menganalisis itu sama nggak, yes atau no seperti itu. Understand? Very good. You can make the group now. Silakan. Berarti satu kelompok berapa orang? 4. Buat sendiri atau mau dibuatin? Oke, nice. Boleh langsung berkelompok sesuai dengan kelompoknya? Cinderella. Okay. Group number 4. Number 4. Yeah, this one. 3 little bit. And group number 5. This one. The easy one. Alright. Terus group 7. The next one. Maling kundang. Okay. This one. And Sangkuriang. Oke. Okay. Silakan diskusi. Waktunya kira-kira how many times do you need? 15. Wow. It's a big time. 30 minutes? 30 menit cukup? 30 minutes for discussion. Nih, aku lingkarin. Ntar yang pas mau diceritain dia sama siapa? 3 boleh? 3 boleh? 2 juga boleh? Dibagi gimana kalau 3? Kalau 3 berarti udah 2 aja siapa yang mau? Oke. Nanti yang di, ini yang di. Ya. Gini, kan pertama bisa sama? Bisa kan baca. Ini, mana ya? Sanggup. Sampai sini. Paham nggak? Iya, dibaca sambil sana. Ya, ini pura-puranya aku sedang bercerita, jadi kamu baca dulu. Sampai sini ya. Terus, analisis baca ini. Nanti teman kamu tanya ini sama ini. Ya, nanti kan kalau udah presentasian, ini yes kan udah kan. Nah, nanti di sana ada yang tanya, teman-teman ada yang tanya. Oke. So, this is the story of, what the story? Sangkuriang, nice. So, have you read about the story? Yes? Orientation,
communication, resolution, and ability.
so you know the story now? Yeah, okay. Yeah, after this, don't forget to presentation about this one. Okay, presentation about this one. And maybe your friend will give you question. And don't forget to answer your friend's question. Okay? Udah? Nih, presentasinya, kamu bacain aja. Terus kamu bisa presentasi sendiri. Oke, kalau misalkan yang siapa? Oke, ini baca aja ini. Ibu baca yang mana? Baca ini sampai titiknya mana? Sampai sini nggak apa-apa. Sampai akhir nggak apa-apa. Tapi gantian boleh. Oke, siap. Mantap. Terus, masih pertanyaan kan? Habis baca itu, kalian presentasi ini di depan. Yes, no. Kamu baca ininya. Kamu nyentangin. Yes. Kamu baca. Have the same things. Yes. Have the same beginning. No. Centang di depan kan ada kolom. Lihat aja boleh. Tapi salah satu lihat ke atas juga boleh. Sambil lihat ke depan, lihat ke sini, lihat ke depan, lihat ke sini. Paham ya? Oke. Everyone please. The time is running out. So I think all of you have finished your work. So who will come forward for the first one? That will be presentation. Presentation about the story. Okay, I think it's better for number 1. The first story is Rapunzel. Yeah, welcome for Rapunzel.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We are standing in front of you. We would like to present the story of Rapunzel. Mother Gothel, who was less of a witch and more of a greedy real estate mogul, refused to let Rapunzel leave the penthouse unless she paid the other girl's rent. Rapunzel, however, wasn't about to give up her luxury lifestyle. She tried to negotiate, but Gothel was having it. You can either pay up or I'll cut the Wi-Fi. Gothel threatened. Rapunzel panicked. No Wi-Fi, no Instagram, no TikTok, and no sponsorship. She had to think fast. That's all about the story of Rapunzel. And now is analysis section. Question number 1: have all the same character? Yes. Have the same setting? No. Have the same beginning? Yes. Have the same middle? No. And the same way? No. Have the same main character? Yes. Have the same problems? No. And any question? Me. Yes, please. How is this version of Rapunzel different from the classic fairy tale character? Okay, the answer is, unlike the classic character, this Rapunzel is a tech-savvy social media influencer who lives in a high-rise penthouse and has high-quality hair extension instead of having magical hair. Okay. Yes. Anything? Anything else? Yes, please.
Who is Mother Gothel in this story, and what is the main problem she causes?
The answer is, Mother Gothel is a greedy real estate mogul and Rapunzel tanward. The complication begins when she decided to raise Rapunzel rent by 3,000% and threatens to cut off the Wi-Fi. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are standing in front of you. We would like to present the story of Cinderella. One day, an invitation arrived for the Kingdom's annual Tech Expo, where the winner will get a chance to pitch their invention to the king. Cinderella was thrilled. This was her big break.
But her stepmother determined to keep her as their personal teacher. Look at her in the basement and took the invitation for herself. You're not going anywhere, Cinderella. Who's going to fix my Wi-Fi when it crashes?
That's all the story of Cinderella. And now we are going to the analysis section.
Number one, have all the same character. No.
No.
Have the same setting. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Have the same beginning. Yes.
Yes.
Have the same middle.
No.
And the same way.
No.
Have the same main character.
Yes.
Have the same problem.
Yes. So that's all. The analysis. Is there any question?
Yes, please.
What was Cinderella dream and talent in this version of the story?
Cinderella was a teach genius whose dream was to become a famous inventor.
Now, any other question? Please.
Me? Yes. What did the stepmother and stepsister do for a living, and how did they reach Cinderella?
Wow, the long question, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yeah, yes.
so the answer is
They were social media influencers who treated Cinderella like their unpaid IT support, forcing her to fix their laptops and social media issues.
Yes, now, thank you.
yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Please, boss.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. We are standing in front of you. We would like to present the story of the three little pig. Larry built her house door of made stick with a stumble using online tutorial. Fancy, on the other hand, built a tech house made of brick, complete with solar panel. His security system and voice activation appliances. Everything was going well until the big bad wolf, who lived Ariel, it's the developer, showed up. I wanted to buy their land to build a luxury condo complex. When the pigs reached just to the sale, the wolf decided to persuade them. That's all the story of the three little pig. And now is analysis section.
Have all the same character? Yes. Have the same things? No. Have the same beginning? Yes. Have the same middle? Yes. And the same way? No. Have the same main character? Yes. Have the same problems? No. Yes. Any question?
Okay, so yes.
Yes, please.
What were the different personalities and specialties of the three pigs?
Okay, what is the differences? The different personalities, all three pigs.
Okay.
Yeah, what is the differences?
No. Larry was a minimalist, like living off the grid.
Okay.
Carly was a DIY enthusiast, all of IKEA furniture.
Okay.
And Percy was a tech-savvy architect, focused and on the smart homes.
Oh, yeah.
In this version of the story, who was the big bad wolf and what was his goal?
The big bad wolf was a real estate developer. His goal was to buy the big land so the poor build a luxury condo complex.
Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are standing in front of you. We would like to present the story of Red Riding Hood. As Red zoomed through the forest on her electric scooter, she ran into a shady character named Wolfie, who claimed to be a travel blogger. Wolfie offered to show her a faster route to her grandma's house. Red, eager to meet her delivery deadline, agreed. Little did she know, Wolfie was actually a scam artist who wanted to steal her delivery basket. He took her on a wild detour, leaving her lost in the wood while he raced ahead to grandma's house. That's all about the story of Red Riding Hood. Now we are going to analysis section.
Okay, the first, have all the same characters? No. Have the same things?
No.
Have the same beginning?
Yes.
Have the same middle?
Yes.
And the same way?
No.
Have the same main characters?
Yes.
Have the same problems?
No.
Okay, stand up please.
What was Red Riding Hood job in this modern version of the story?
My answer is, she was a delivery driver for a company called Hood Express. Anything else?
Why did Red Riding Hood decide to take a shortcut despite her boss warning?
The answer is, she was always in a hurry and eager to meet her delivery deadline. It's enough. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are standing in front of you. We would like to present the story of Snow White. One day, Queen Elvira decided no was no. She hired a shady hacker to take down Snow White's accounts. But instead of deleting them, the hacker accidentally sent Snow White into a spiral. Her post started getting millions of views overnight, and brands were lining up to sponsor her.
Furious, the queen decided to take matters into her own hands. She tricked Snow White into trying a new skincare product that was actually a sleeping potion. Snow White fell into a deep sleep and her followers were devastated. That's all the story of Snow White. Have all the same characters? Yes. Have the same things? No. Have the same beginning? No. Have the same middle? No. And the same way? No. Have the same main characters? Yes. Have the same problems? No. Okay. If there's any question or complaint,
Made Queen Elvira jealous of Snow White.
my answer, she was extremely jealous of Snow White's online popularity and the high number of likes she received on her social media posts.
What happened when the Sadi hacker tried to take down Snow White's account?
The answer is
The answer is, instead of deleting them, the hacker accidentally sent Snow White into a viral spiral, causing her views to increase the brand of over her sponsorship.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are standing in front of you. We would like to present story of Sangkoryang, the mountain mix-up. Okay. There to be, this is enough was enough. C challenged Sangkoryang to build a dam to solve the village water crisis when survives. If he succeeds, C stopped nagging him if he fails. He did have to get a real job. Sangkoryang, confident in his surfing skills but cautious about construction, accepted the challenge. That's all the story of Sangkoryang. And now is analysis section.
Have all the same characters?
Yes.
Have the same things?
No.
Have the same beginning?
No.
Have the same middle?
No.
And the same way?
No.
Have the same main characters?
Yes.
Have the same problems?
No. Everyone, do you have any question?
How is Sangkoryang described in this modern version of the story? Sangkoryang is described as a laid-back surfer dude who loves catching wife and avoiding responsible.
And how?
What was the young Sumbing profession in the story? She was a tech-savvy entrepreneur who ran a successful online pottery business.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are standing in front of you.
We would like to present the story of Malin Kundang.
Once upon a time, in a coastal village in Indonesia, there lived a young man named Malin Kundang. But this wasn't the classic tale of a son who turned into stone. Malin was a wannabe rock star who dreamed of fame and fortune.
He left his humble fishing village to pursue his music career, promising his mom he'd return as a superstar. His mom, a hardworking fish seller, support him but warned, "Don't forget where you come from, Malin." That's all the story of Malin Kundang, and now is analysis section.
That's all the story of Malin Kundang, and now is analysis section. Have all the same characters?
Yes.
Have the same things?
No.
Have the same beginning?
Yes.
Have the same middle?
No.
And the same way?
No.
Have the same main characters?
Yes.
Have the same problem?
Yes. Now we go to question and answer section. Do you have a question?
Me.
Yes, please.
What was Malin Kundang dream and why did he leave his village?
Okay, thank you. The answer is, Malin was a wannabe rock star who dreamed of fame and fortune. So he left his village to pursue a music career.
Anything else?
Me.
Yes, please.
What was the title of Malin's hit song when he became famous?
The answer is, his hit song was titled Ocean of Regret.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Nika. Thank
Yes,
you.
you're welcome.
Okay, that's all about the story of the first one is Rapunzel. The second one is Yunus. The third one is Oke, kita simpulin bareng-bareng ya. Alhamdulillah presentasinya udah semuanya. Thank you so much for your group discussion and your spirit. And maybe before we are going to the conclusion, is there anyone say about our tongue twister?
Very bug bitter butter, but stretchy this butter bitter. If I put it in my butter, it'll make my butter bitter. A big black bug with a big black bird with a big black bird with a big black bug back.
Conclusion ya, the conclusion is jadi yang namanya fracture storytell itu nggak semuanya sama seperti the real one. The fracture story is the story that has fracture. Fracture itu kayak pernah dengar kayak tulang fracture nggak? Tulang tidak, the real story gitu. Jadi sudah mendapatkan kayak tadi Dika bilang plesetan-plesetan gitu diganti. Untuk apa? Untuk menyesuaikan dengan cerita di zaman sekarang. Jadi tidak tidak membosankan gitu. As the closing, let's see the last video. Point of view. Okay, this is about the vocabulary. The next. Version. Granny. And the what? Do you understand about the story? Yes. Okay. Until now, is there any question? So I'm sorry if I have mistakes. That's all. Please close the class.
Let's close our class by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Well, thank you you so much and wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Thank you.